Crossing Bridges Volume 2, hanapin niyo sa labas ni Roberto. Because I actually made one survey questionnaire for one organization on how they can be more aware of the people in their team. But this what I'm sharing with you are simple ways you can do para hindi na madagdagan ang mga trabaho nyo as leaders. Okay ba, mga kapatid? Ipagpatuloy natin dahil malapit ng alas 5. After you look around, then you look back. You look back. Balikan mo rin. Although sinabi ni C.S. Lewis, comparison is a thief of joy. Ang unang magnanakaw ng kaligayahan mo ay pag nagkumpara ka. So go ahead. Look back to the school where you had been victorious. There are strategies that you use there which are successful and you can still adopt. But then, the thing is, you also allow the people in your team to look back. Discover their pains, discover their victories and their joys para makuha nyo yung culture of emotions in your organization. And you know what? When I was thinking of look back, ito ang una kong naisip. Kilala niya siya? Katniss Everdeen, Hunger Games. Bakit siya ang naging symbol ko ng look back? Because her weapon is the bow and arrow. And the bow and arrow is, the farther you pull to the back, the farther your arrow will go. Tama? Let us not just rejoice on our victories yesterday. But when you look back, that's reflection. Ganito lang siya. Before you sleep tonight, you always think, what have I done today? Is it worthy to repeat that thing? Balikan mo! Tanungin mo yung sarili mo namang masasakit na mga tanong. Is there someone in my team who I need to forgive? Or is there someone who needs my forgiveness? Is there someone whom I have hurt? That kung minsan tayo po ay mga gaslighters. Na kapag nakasakit tayo, ang sabi natin, masyado ka naman sensitive. Pagalitan ka lang, ay nasaktan ka na. But the farther you look back, the farther you can go forward. After looking back, this is always an order. Now, we look ahead. I shared this with you in Clark. Kung nag-attend kayo sa Clark, shinare ko yung buo niyan. But I just got an excerpt. Everybody, do this with your hand. Sige na po, parang humihingi ng merienda. Isa lang, isa lang. And in that hand, imagine that you have a seed. Buto ng punong kahoy, huwag kamatis, huwag saluyot, a tree. Now tell your seatmate, anong klaseng tree yung pangarap mo? Go, ask. Anong klaseng tree yung pangarap mo? O sige, sabay-sabay sigaw. Anong tree siya? Go! Alright, may nagsabing mangga, santol, avocado. May nakita ako doon, ang laki ng hawak, siguro nyog. As you are looking at that seed, huwag niyong iwawala, magti-tree planting tayo bukas. As you are looking at that seed, anong nakikita mo? The seed or the tree? Kung seed lang ang nakikita mo, you're not a leader. Hanggang present lang ang pangarap mo. May mga pangarap pa po ba kayo? Sige nga, taas ng kamay. Sinong nangangarap na dumami pa ang pera? Sino nangangarap na gumanda? Gumwapo? Humaba ang buhay? Dumami ang asawa? Dumami ang kaibigan? May nagsabi, libre daw ang mangarap. Totoo? Hindi! May bayad